Hey guys, in today's video I will be pressing my hair. I won't call it a silk press because my hair is natural and I'm sure it's going to revert, but it did come out great. So if you want to see the results, stay tuned to the end of the video. So I still got this left. Okay, that's the bag. And I still got all of this to do. And the sad part is I'm all natural except right here and like a little bit around my edges because my last hairstyle, I needed to tame my hair. It's so hot in Miami, my hair is not gonna last a day. So what we gonna do is we probably gonna be wearing ponytails every day like this. But this is still the back of my head. This is the back of my head still, and this is the back of my head still. And this is the front. And I still got so much to do. So if you do that method, which is detangle your hair, like take time out to detangle your hair. Take time out to take care of your hair. Like, even if you prolong the process, it's better to prolong the process. People think that, oh, I gotta get my hair washed every 2 weeks. Oh, I gotta get my hair done every 2 weeks. No. Braid your hair down, wear a glueless wig, braid your hair down, get a sew-in. You do not have to do your hair every 2 weeks. It is not necessary. So, and I'll put before and afters because I actually know when I cut my hair off. Because I was on my way to the Beyonce concert, and this was 2018, and it's been 4 years, 19, 20, 22. It'll be 4 years, August 29. I know the exact date, because the concert was the 31st. Yeah, and I still had to glue my wig down myself, so I cut my hair off the 29th, and my sister braided it for me. I don't know how she was able to braid it, because there's no hair to braid, but it's been 4 years and this is where my hair is. And my hair has never been so soft. Look how soft my hair is. It's soft since yesterday. All I put in my hair was oil. I put olive oil mixed with Jamaican black castor oil. That's all I put in my hair. I ain't put no creams in my hair. You can look at my hair. There's nothing in my hair. No product, no buildup. Oil is the only thing I put in my hair. That's it. And Queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mess outside. In case you forgot how we act outside.
I'll take less, I'll justify love. We go round and circle, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me.
Take off this road, to make me go.
Because of course my hair is natural, and I didn't go to the salon to do it because down here it's hard to find people to do your hair, your natural hair. So I'm hot, and I don't know what's going on down condition. It's hot, but it's Miami, so what do you expect? But what I'm gonna do is, I done got a little hot, so I'm gonna go rinse off, wrap my hair, tie my hair up. Hopefully my hair don't turn into a bird's nest while I'm taking a shower. I'm gonna actually take a shower with the door open so it doesn't get too steamy in there, or maybe just with cold water. And yeah, this is what my hair is looking like after. This is what it's looking like. I don't know if I love it, love it, love it. I won't be wearing it down because it's just not gonna hold in this Miami weather. Like the next week or so, and it's really getting put in the sew-in ASAP. I don't want braids. I had a bad experience with plaits, so I won't be doing any type of braids or plaits, but I'll be doing it braided down, a good sew-in. So be good to your hair. Your weaves be looking bomb, but you should be able to be like, the world ends. If the world ends, I can even do this to my hair. Just like twist it and put it up. If the world ends, you should be able to wear your hair. So this is a length check. So I am like underarm, a little past underarm. So yeah, it's growing for 4 years. I think this is a great length.
Take off this road, to make me go.
You won't break my soul.
Bad dog.